a bike, basically. 1.2 brake horsepower. You really have to give it that assisted pedaling when you want to take off quick though. You do a 0 to 60 test, it's not going to make it. We won't even do a 30. 0 to 30 will take 10 minutes. Let's see, features on this bike. Right, this is a 1973 Honda PC50. We have a front brake, we have the rear brake. You've got a high beam and low beam switch that doesn't work. I've got a one wing mirror, because I didn't put the other one on. What else we got? Reverse brakes, so the front wheel comes up when you brake instead of dies down. Reverse fork suspension, which is the same as on the C90. It's got shocks at the back. The seat's not too bad, although I think because it's so old, it does feel dreadful. It does feel dreadful. It doesn't cut out anymore, which is good. It doesn't cut out anymore, right. Let's see. If I put over here, let's see if we do a standing still, rolling start. No. Okay, so this is from standing still. I'm just going to apply throttle. We are actually, I'm on a slight downhill as well, so I'm giving it a bit of an advantage. And it's away. Truly incredible. The brakes are a little bit old and less to be desired, and I don't know if I'm going to replace them or not, but apparently they're shockingly bad anyway, so it sounds like they're working as intended. The thing is about this, the turning circle on this is amazing. You can turn on a button. Literally turns on a button. Right, I'll pull over here, cut the engine out. Right, let's do the cycling portion of this video. So, my hay fever is starting to kick in. I didn't take any when I went out, it's just stupid. Right, so I'm going to try and cycle to the top of this hill. This is not going to be easy. Right, I've put the camera down a little bit. Here we go. So, the thing why this bike is so terrible, it has a tiny front sprocket. I'm going uphill, which is actually probably a bit better than going downhill. Okay, that is me bouncing on the front mudguard. If you don't see, is bent because it's been off the bike so long and it's been sitting in a box with stuff on top, so it's warped. And also the front tyre is the wrong size. I didn't show it in the video, but I had a job fitting it on. Okay, come on. This is dreadful. Also, I'm wearing. Okay, this is dreadful. I'm not that unfit. Honestly, I can do this. This is actually going uphill, so... Okay. And that's where I get to. So, it is possible to cycle this thing. But I can't recommend it. It's dreadful. Absolutely dreadful. What's this? Is this a footbath? Okay. Okay, let's go to a spot where I can do a walk around. Where's a good place to go, up or down? I don't know. Right, so to engage starting on this, I flick this lever to the on position. Okay, the engine's actually warm because it's the first time I've actually ridden it, really. Okay, so that's the on position now. You lock the pedals, you can't pedal forward. Then swing your leg over. I'm on an uphill start, so compression lever in, and basically it's like a kickstart. Oh, it's pretty difficult. Oh, pretty difficult, but yeah, it does get going. Oh. Okay, I'll just run it up and come back down. To walk around that lay-by. Right, so what we got? Honda PC50. Yeah, it's actually been doing all right. It is a weird old bike, and it's come out pretty well. I really like the red. It matches the helmet. Now, that's the helmet I'm riding with today because I've got a camera mounted on that one. But the normal helmet I ride with on this is a little red one. So, yeah, got a new cap there. Carburetors seems a lot better now that it's had a run. It's dreadful before. Absolutely dreadful before. Got to check the oil on this now, I guess, when I get back, make sure it hasn't gone down, now that I've had a good old run on it. Rear rack, yeah, it's looking quite good. I painted that, that's come out quite well. I painted that, that's come out quite well. So you need to keep cleaning it because it's white. I didn't paint the front one, but it's not that bad, but it's a bit warped, so I might get another one, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. Oh, yeah, it's got a steering lock on this thing. And I've got a key for it. So, look at that. There's a steering lock. You have to lock it like there. I think it goes like there. Put the key in. Do you know what? Put the camera down. So yeah, I've got the key. I can just... There we go. Look at that. Steering lock. Modern cons. Modern cons. Well, it's bad news. So, I changed the rubber washer on this, and it didn't work. So, this is a whole new cap. Actually, this is going to be interesting. How much fuel I've got left. I filled this up ages ago with a litre. Oh, I think I'm getting a bit low. I might actually go and fill this up with some Shell at the end, because that is getting a bit low now. Although there's still plenty of fuel in there. I only put, so it's probably here. So I've probably got that much of the tank left. Yeah, I probably should put a litre in there. Ooh, okay. This is why I brought the toolkit with me. That bolt's coming loose. I don't really want my petrol tank falling off. I don't think that's a good idea. Right, well, it's a good thing I stopped and checked. Right, snip that up and then I'll carry on riding, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Nice little bike.
Yeah, it's got an engine on it. Right then. I'm actually a bit lost now. Oh, I got myself lost. That's great. That's just great. Silent running now. Uh-oh, I'm going to have to start pedaling again now. Right, so where are we going to go? So yeah, I'm pedaling at maximum speed and it hasn't even engaged. Because, there we go, now it's engaged. Because the front sprocket is so tiny, this is probably top speed. Probably top speed here. Right. So yeah, going, let's go up to here. Cool. I think that's that. Right. I think that carb is now tuned. Soon find out. Oh, left even. MOT exempt, and it is well, it cost me 20 quid to insure. Who? No, it's not back, but there is a little bit. Okay, so maybe there is a bit of leakage or seepage. Oh yeah, there's a little bit there, I can see it. Okay, so it's a slight weep. It's not gushing, so it's not too bad. But it's an old engine, so I ain't surprised. It's really common for these things to leak, usually at the kickstart, but these are proper massive ingresses where oil can get in. All that dirt and stuff over the years can get in there. So yeah, I'm surprised it's not leaked worse. Right. Of course the engine's hot. Mike's been running for ages. Right. Let's check that bolt again, make sure it's not coming off. Nope, don't think so. Right then. If I head up there, turn right maybe. Not gonna overtake this. Off-roading. Jeez, that's pretty terrifying actually. Overtaken by the cyclist again. I'm going this way. Okay, so 2 litre tank maybe?